Hey, we are starting a new segment called Driving with Dana. And today I'm in Colleyville, Texas, and what I want to show you is a neighborhood called Oakley. And you're gonna love this neighborhood because they are building brand new, modern, contemporary homes. And so I want to show you. Let's take a look. One of the things I really love about this neighborhood are the beautiful trees. And Colleyville is like, it's in the middle, it's a suburb of Dallas-Fort Worth, but it's easy access to downtown Dallas. It's probably about a 35-minute commute, and it's easy access to Fort Worth as well. So I really love this neighborhood. Builders is Providential Homes, and they are one of my favorite builders. They've built in the Colleyville, North Texas, Keller, South Lake area for a very long time, since I've been in real estate at least, and they've always been on the cutting edge for design, architecture. They're just beautiful homes. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack, you will click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you, and when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.